Want to master anime character design for free? This course is your first step on the journey to anime character design art learning pathway. Brushcamp offers tons of similar courses in illustration, 2D, 3D design. Level up your creativity with free knowledge and courses. Visit brushcamp.com today and explore endless possibilities. Hi guys! In the previous lesson, I showed you how to draw eyes in anime. Now I will show you how to draw a nose in anime. Please note that this is an anime drawing course for beginners. I will not teach to specialized knowledge or draw too complicated structures, which mainly gives you a main goal that is simple, easy to learn and still beautiful. How to draw nose in anime. I'll talk about the actual ratio first. Look at the screen, I've got a picture that looks like this. This is the nose of real person. Now I will guide. The structure of the nose is the basic building blocks like this. I will have a picture like this. When viewed from an angle, it will The nose, when viewed from an angle, will look like this. Or tilt it any further and it will add a look like. Because this face of it will be a triangle-like shape. It creates a lot of different surfaces. Starting at the tip of the nose, I will draw a circle like this. Please observe. Here you will draw two more small circles on both sides. This is the nose part. Don't forget below this is the lower part of the nose. This face that faces inward of this nose. This part will give our nose more depth and clarity. You draw. I just draw an example. I'll draw again. Roughly it will look like this. And this part will be the part where I'm going to apply shadows, giving the nose some depth. Similarly, you can try drawing. There are many different nose shapes. Mostly it will look like this. This is the nose shape that you will draw in a real person's face. So what does it look like drawing in an anime's face? I will delete this part, like you see. This is the shape of the nose in real people, right? I will draw. How do you draw a nose in anime? You lower the opacity of this part. You create another layer. In the anime, some parts will be minimized to make it look more cartoonish, easier to convey to the viewer, and more neat and stylized. For example, the part in the middle of the face like this. We will have two ways to draw. The first way is we will draw a vertex like this. For example, here is the face axis. Please align it in the center. It's like when you sketch out a face, you have an axis for it. I'll use red to make it easier to see. If you have this, you will have two ways to draw. At first, you will draw this part. It will be here. This part is the eye socket, where the eyes and nose will meet. Then you drag a path down like this, follow it. And you guys will skip. Don't draw this middle part. You will draw through the tip of the nose like this. It looks like this. Just be simple like this. You can draw their straight noses. You just need to simplify it. You can only describe it in 1-2 strokes. Or you can simply draw a picture like this. You just need to draw the tip of its nose like this. It's like you guys won't draw this anymore, just draw this part. Move this down. Then copy this over. You just draw. Or you just need to draw like this. How to apply it? I'll give you an example. Now I have a straight face. I have already shown you how to draw a straight face. If you get used to drawing, you may not need to draw axes anymore. You just need to divide it to the right ratio. You can also draw like this. The nose it will apply inward like this. Or you can draw like this. Or you just need to simply identify the tip of the nose. The way to draw a nose is very simple, right? When highlighting, you just need to paint the tip of the nose to create the feeling that it is convex and in the middle. Because people often paint the tip of nose to make it look cute. Then how about drawing a slanted nose? You will draw an eye socket like this. You draw a straight line down like this. And just drawing like this is enough. A simple line to cover the entire contour of the nose. It should be as short and concise as possible. Or you can simply draw part of the nose tip like this. And draw the last part of the nose like this. Or you can simply draw one like this. Similar to the above, you just need to draw a part of the bottom of the nose. Or just the tip of this nose. I will give you an example. This is the part of the nose that I applied. You can blacken the bottom of the nose, like this, to create depth for the nose. We tried to put another nose on the head of the character we just finished drawing. Like that, the nose in the anime is really simple. You just need to draw a line that can describe the entire nose. Then you succeed. Similar to parts like this, you can draw the same with the angle. For the slant, you will simply draw this nose. Draw like this nose. You can't draw like this. You have to draw a long line like this, because it is half of the face. The nose will then contribute to the shape of the face. For example, like this. Please notice that this is the nose line that I just finished drawing. This will be the tip of the nose. Or here. Note that. Drawing noses in anime come in many different shapes. And since you already know about determining how to draw a good-looking nose, then how to draw nose shapes to suit the character, it will become simpler. For example, there will be some noses that look like this. Or that. Or will it be stylized and simplified? Or some of you can draw the nose in to give it a sleek look. Or maybe even a dot for a nose. Each nose shape will suit different face standards. Some people even draw their noses very high like this. Here. Or here. Depends on the style you want, or what you want to draw the character for. Now we are done with the lesson on how to draw a beautiful nose. And how to choose how to draw the nose shape is very important in the character's face. We should not draw the nose too big, because in anime proportions, if the nose is big, it will make the face look a bit rough and big. It won't have the cute and adorable vibe in the animation anymore. Please pay attention to that. Please like and subscribe to our channel.